What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Elrond here, and as you can see, it has had a very significant rollover over the past few weeks. It actually hit that high at around $550 off the back of that Mira exchange launch, which was, very successful for a short while. There was a huge spike up to the upside. Obviously, there was some very nice, favorable farms for Elrond on the Mira exchange, which did lead to a lot of buy pressure for the token. And then obviously they ran into a few problems, and obviously with the market also rolling over ever since the 10th for most cryptos, including Bitcoin. You can see here with that small decline, the massive pump up to the upside on fundamental news. And then obviously with the massive rollover for the market on this, on what was this, the 4th of December, we basically saw a big roll to the downside here. You can see it quite clearly, along with the sell-off with the Mira exchange having a few problems as well. We rolled all the way up from this all-time high around $545 there, all the way down to this swing low here around $225, from which we have had a little bit of a recovery. You can see with the bounce to the upside. Just dragging my lines around there. The bounce to the upside, a little bit of a coiling motion. We've obviously rolled over here, double bottomed out, and had the big bounce to the upside. We got up to around, what was this, $345 here, looking pretty good. And then obviously another sell-off here. Once we hit this resistance of this swing high around $350, also a psychological level. On the hourly time frame, you can kind of see what's been going on here. Trading very technically, actually. We come all the way up here, didn't we? We come back down below this 141 extension. We come down to the 121. Is it the 121 or is it the 128? I can never remember exactly what it's called, and I can't see because I'm on the hourly time frame and my fib is drawn. Yeah, the 127, sorry. The 127 here. Fib extension, you can see we come down. We tried to find it as support, but we rolled over again. So we came down. Obviously, the big collapse of the market with the huge amount of liquidations. We come down to this swing low area here as support. We get the big bounce up back into this range here that we saw in between, basically before we had the Mara exchange pump. We actually came back inside the range here, but we lost support. We come back down. Basically double bottom, coiling, and then you can see we've finally come down and actually fully retested that low there with a nice big bullish divergence. You can see on the histogram here, got some big bullish divergences, the RSI flattening off, so you can see we were probably going to get that bounce to the upside, and we actually did have a very nice bounce, didn't we, all the way from around, what was that, $225 up to around $345 there, back up to this swing high area, and it seems as though we had a really big sell-off again. This might be based on some bad news. Potentially, we actually have to look and see what the news for Elrond is over the past few days. It might be a delay on some kind of fundamental news that people were banking on, but as you can see, a fairly, acute and decent sell-off here. But the market's still chopping sideways, so it remains to be seen what this was actually about. But you can see back down at around $262 right now, just sitting on this previous swing low support here. It remains to be seen what's probably going to happen here. But we'd say realistically, considering this downwards momentum right now, and we could be looking at retesting some of these lows at the very least. So we'll do some short-term price predictions and keep things short and sweet. You can see here we do have that previous all-time high at $245, which could be a decent bit of support here, looking something like this. Or if we do go lower, we do have this level here at $225, come down and retest that previous swing low again before getting a bounce. You can see we're probably just doing, we're forming a little bit of a range really, aren't we? You can see highs and lows being tested. We could do this for a while until Bitcoin does start to, pick up the pace, as it's also been ranging. And obviously moving to the upside, we want to see ourselves getting back up above that $300 level and getting back up towards some of these prices higher up. So those would be our short-term price predictions. And as we've always said, we really do think Elrond is a really top quality crypto. It's probably going to be over $1,000 by the end of the bull run, in our opinion. And we do have that 227 extension at around $1,700. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.